Hey Dragon City fans, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to redeem promo codes in Dragon City to get awesome rewards like games, gold, and even rare dragons. Let's dive right in. First of all, find active Dragon City codes. You can check the official Dragon City social media pages or websites that post regular code updates. These codes change often, so make sure they are still active. Next, open up the Dragon City app on your device. Make sure it's fully updated to the latest version to avoid any issues with redeeming codes. Now, in the game, head to the settings or look for any promotional options. Sometimes the code redemption feature might be in the settings menu under some things like redeem code or promotions. Once you have found the redeem option, type in your code exactly as it listed. Codes are usually case sensitive. Hit redeem, and if the code is valid, your redeems should appear immediately in your account. And that's it. You have just redeemed a code for Dragon City rewards. Thanks for watching and happy hatching.